Peace, peace, peace. I need my mind to flow. Some kind of different direction. I want to drift, not know. I take 5 tokes and my mind floats. Feeling a bit free, floating through the ceiling. A cosmic storm, that's me. I hop on my board. I'm back in the flow. Rise above the clouds. I see lightning dancing. Thunder cracks loud. I'm moving through the atmosphere. I hit space. I'm splashing through the magnetosphere. A cosmic surfer, surfing gravity waves, leaving meteors in my wake. Riding celestial winds, my journey. Now we start, now it begins. The song is floating in my mind as my third eye guides. I move, I glide, flowing by zodiac constellations. My backdrop, the Milky Way galaxy. Blue-black, 100,000 million stars, full of the darkest matter. I fly by moons into the rings of Saturn. My mind is clear, nothing else matters. Passing the moons of Neptune, I say goodbye to my solar system. The mental galactic navigation, oh, it's engaged. Direction, autopilot, set to explore. Why? So I can learn more. Starbursts, quasars, and gas clouds all have a flowing beat, a wave pattern, a unique sound. Soaring through galaxies, energies fly and move with me. Visualize a comet, that's me, flowing through the cosmic tapestry. Feeling myself at one with the universe. Approaching a black hole, riding and sliding the rim of flowing light. I lower my hand to feel the flow of time as flows over my hand in soft waves. Chill vibrations, a celestial haze. I move to the center, the black hole. I'm curious, so I enter. A dimension slip, I flow, I continue, enveloped in a golden aura while I explore more. The cosmos, it's tinted orange, a grayish hue, blue and red sun systems, massive galaxies. To me, it's all new. Asteroid belts and clusters, the system I'm in, a few inhabitable planets. Sensing a disturbance, I scan it. Ripples of energy and pure waves, a cry of help from victims and slaves. Moving as fast as I can, Planet X is in the distance. Warp speed, I land. Planet X is a planet of shapeshifters, shifting shapes from animal to man, each hoping to touch me to take my shape. I move, I don't hesitate. I take flight and hover above their reach. I don't bother to preach. I observe. I'm 10,000 feet up. I move slowly through the planet, hoping to truly understand it. Studying several shifters from a distance, I would often listen, seeking to understand more of their ways, why they chose to be only consumers, only slaves. So one day I landed. I crossed my arms, third eye closed, minimized my aura and my glow. My thinking, if they can't see or sense it, they may not know. So I walked amongst them, from the eldest to the youngest. I had conversations. Now everyone I met was chill and relaxed. I realized they partook in the earth attributes known as big buds, the fat packs. So the mental stress, it didn't really cause the body as much duress. But adding in the synthetic food, for whatever reason they chose to consume, it really seemed to shorten their lifespans. When I mentioned that these are facts that their brothers and sisters are talking about, they instead focused on the past and old issues, knowing none of it will save or change the current misuse. But yet they continued to ignore this. Then they started asking me crazy questions and not really listening to my lessons. Like, are you from up in the sky? I said, what's a sky and what is up? They said, you know, where the clouds live, where the world divides. I just laughed. I said, the world doesn't divide. That's a crazy lie. And up, I said that's a relative position. It just depends on where you are. If you power your third eye, you can actually sense it. They stared as though I didn't speak their language, symbol, or signs. What's crazy is I just don't understand. They didn't seem to realize that I was talking directly into their minds. So one day I just got crazy mad and straight sad, and I screamed out with a mental blast, "Awaken! Shake off the chains!" I thought to myself, oh yeah, this will activate their brains, rebuild their nation, rebuild their planet. But then I took a glimpse of their auras, And then I realized this concept, they couldn't understand it. I realized it was time for me to go. And although I could still hear their cries, I now understood. Not the could, but more important, the why. And the what it would take for that planet to unify. To nullify some of the dumb shit. So I freed a few minds, but I've really got other things to do. So I walked to the corner, activated my glow, my third eye opens, a mental whistle to my board. I jump in the air, boom, it's there, I'm on it. It's time for me to ride. I take flight, a burst of energy in the night sky. I fly off through the atmosphere and back to space, moving as fast as I can like I'm in a race. Solar systems and nebula, more galaxies and dimensions, forever guided by my third eye, seeking new black holes to explore, seeking new portals to try. Stay tuned, the Cosmic Surfer, intergalactic transdimensional fables, an avenger with new adventures, almost like interdimensional cable. I'm an honorary X-Man, dropping jewels to the next man. Power cosmic at my command. That's why they call me the Cosmic Storm. Simply 'cause I am. Peace, peace, peace.